Okay.
Okay.
It finally came in. So. We're gonna open it. How long did this take? Like 2 weeks to get here?
Something like that.
Yeah. They screwed up my shipping.
Longer than that. You ordered it right after Christmas.
True. They sent it to North Carolina first.
And that was like 3 weeks after you bought it, so it's been like 5 weeks.
Yeah. Paige behind the camera, guys.
Great. Now they know my name.
She's my girlfriend. She's awesome. Alright. Interesting.
There's nothing in there.
Guys. Another box. Look at that. This is not usually how they come shipped, though. I'm a little concerned. Because normally they come with their, like, original box. So you can, like, ship it back and stuff.
Yeah.
But maybe I don't need a screwdriver. Guess I should have just brought scissors.
There's scissors right there on the desk.
Nah, I'm gonna just beast it. Okay.
Don't hurt yourself there.
Don't plan on it. Okay. Oh.
Is it another box? Perchance?
Look at that. They triple boxed it, but there it is. Alright. So yeah, this is the Divo by Burago. It's the cheap version, but I don't, you know, whatever. I used an Amazon gift card to buy this, so yeah. This was like, I don't know, 50 bucks off of Amazon, which I think is the average price. So yeah. That might be the wrong side. Yes, it was. Okay. My worry is gone. I'm glad that they sent it in the original box. Nice. Oh, I guess the trunk probably opens. That's probably why they taped that. Alright. Let's get it off of this thing.
Do you need another hand?
No, it's alright. I'm a pro at this by now. Okay, there's one. Man, this thing is cold.
Well, how cold is it outside?
Like 10 or something. It's snowing. And there's two.
You can count.
Thanks. Alright. Let's not lose these pieces. Right, usual business. If I could find the uppermost layer, that would be nice. There we go. Why did they glue this tape together? Jesus. Alright. Cool. Man, this thing sits low. That is cool. I like that. So, opening frunk. Opening doors, obviously, and I believe that's it. Yes, that's it. So it's the launch spec, obviously, which I think is cool. I don't know. I think they got the detail pretty good. I like the blue interior. It's pretty light. Yeah, I don't know. Everybody who knows diecast know that Burago is kind of like the cheaper end, but I'd say they did pretty good. Yeah, they got the exhaust, the taillights. I don't know. Yeah, they got a little paint on that, but I'd say overall they did pretty good. For $50, I'm happy with it. It'll sit nice next to the Chiron. So we're gonna go put it upstairs in the cabinet in a minute. But yeah, I might sell it once like more specs come out, but obviously because the car's brand new, they pretty much only have the launch spec so far. But I don't know. We'll see. Can you see the interior on camera? Or is
Yeah,
it too
but
dark?
you've got the polarizing lens, so you can't see it through the
Yeah, that's alright.
windshield so much.
Alright, well. Yeah. You can drop it, it's fine. Let's see if we can see if it'll focus. It's probably too small. Yeah, well, it's a blue interior. Alright, here it is in the cabinet. Next to the Chiron and the LFA Nürburgring. So yeah, all three have their wings up, which is kind of cool. Oh yeah, and I reorganized my collection. So here's the Bugs and the LFA, and then we have all of the Ferraris. I'm gonna close this. All of the Ferraris going this way. And then up here is the two Koenigseggs, the two McLarens, P1, F1, and the two Paganis. Here we just have random one-offs, so the R8 XJ and the CGT. Down here we have the four Lambos, Centenario, Ventador, Reventon, and the Gallardo. The two concept cars, the three American Saline Viper 4GT. The CLK is down here. Here's my smaller ones. And then the C7, C8, and the NSX. So yeah. Divo is the newest member. Looks pretty good. Alright, well, that's all I got for you. So, thanks for watching.